Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset your SONY ZV-E10 II to factory settings. If you're planning to just reset your settings, then you can go straight ahead to the menu. Now, if you want to perform a full factory reset, it will also affect your camera's memory. So I recommend first removing the external SD cards you may have inserted into your camera. To remove an SD card, you have to open the tray on the left edge of your camera, then push the SD card inside and remove it once it jumps right out. Then close your tray and lock it. After that, let's launch our camera. And then once you see this interface, you're gonna have to click Menu. It will redirect you to the Setup menu. Here in the Setup menu, using up and down arrow keys to navigate, select Reset Save Settings, press OK. Then press OK when Settings Reset is selected. Now, if you want to only reset the settings of your camera, select the first option by pressing OK and confirming. And if you want to perform a full factory reset, select Initialize. Then click Enter. Click Enter once again, and then wait until the factory reset operation is finished. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.